This is an edit, this is an editor, and this is an editor dying while editing an edit. Editing takes days, weeks, and sometimes even months. We've spent over 2 years developing this and interviewed over 1,000 editors. In an edit, you have to sync videos and audio, then trim, label, color, catering to each individual's personal workflow. Select can help you organize this in minutes. It's as simple as importing all your files. While you wait, just sit back, relax, or go touch grass. My team and I will be working hard, constantly updating the tool and hearing your feedback. We'll be uploading on our channel weekly, even creating our own content to showcase how Selects can be used. Follow our social media for more content and events. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and we hope you have time for more with Selects.